Hello everyone! In this video, I'd like to recap some of the key findings that we addressed during our recent webinar and the global approach that we developed at AutoForm for the body-in-white assembly process. We all know that the assembly process is a major stage in the vehicle development cycle. AutoForm provides software for the complete stamping process and also to support the body-in-white process chain. As you can imagine, the two software talk together, and this combination represents a unique capability to achieve dimensional accuracy of the body-in-white assembly process. On a practical point of view, AutoForm supports four main areas of application. The first one is process feasibility. That occurs at the onset of a new project. Here you need to explore things and design the initial assembly process, working on nominal CAD0 geometries. Next phase is process engineering, where you try to optimize by studying springback impact and identifying compensation needs. Third is tryout support, which occurs once tooling and equipment is manufactured. Here you consider real parts and work to reduce trials and error. And the last phase is production support, where you try to maintain and even improve your production quality and process efficiency. We can clearly say that the ability to optimize cost and risk is best in the virtual world, where the cost of process changes is greater once we are into the physical world. The assembly solution can help GD&T specialists or process engineers in many different areas. One aspect is related to the way you have to define the order, the direction, and the angle in which parts are inserted. If there is a risk of collisions, the software will warn, and corrections can be made. Also, you can prevent product design errors by double-checking the presence of matching surfaces in the expected locations. Second aspect is the definition of the pilots and clamps for fixation of parts. So you can define or import as many pilots and clamps as needed. Once fixation is confirmed, you can set joints and apply either mechanical joining techniques or welding joining techniques. Doing so, you can define in advance the welding station, including geospots, geofixtures, and the complete spot weld localization to be sent to the line builder. With respect to the simulation of the assembly process, it is possible to work with nominal CAD geometries or to import AutoForm forming results. By bringing in forming results into assembly simulations, the model begins to reflect the reality of manufacturing. Hence, you can compare and improve results accuracy from all nominal configuration versus one using forming results. Last and not least, at tryout support, you can efficiently work on shimming and teaching and optimize these settings for clamps and joints. As a result, users will be able to see a process window, if it exists. As a matter of conclusion, let me say that from early feasibility through engineering all the way into production, AutoForm Assembly offers solutions to manage each area of application along the way. Doing so, organizations have the opportunity to look at their current processes and determine where improvements can be made to best take advantage of advanced digital engineering. This approach allows companies to maximize their achievements, including higher production quality, lead time reduction, and cost savings. Just one final word to say that you can find many resources on formingworld.com, including our dedicated webinars, along with insightful articles related to the stamping and the body-in-white industry. Need to talk about stamping and body-in-white assembly processes? Why don't we have a chat together? Thank you very much for your time.